Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Rise of Kingdoms application on your iOS device. Rise of Kingdom application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to tap open your app store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Rise of Kingdoms. Now, once you come across the search result, look for this application from Lilith Game and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. Rise of Kingdoms is a mobile strategy game developed by Lilith Games, which is a real-time, massively multiplayer online game where players compete against each other to build empires, force alliances, and conquer the world. The game is free to play, but it offers in-app purchases, so wait for the application to download and install. The file size is pretty large, so you'll need to wait for a couple of minutes, but make sure that you are downloading the app using a stable internet connection. Once the application is downloaded, you can launch it open and then start playing. So that was how you can easily download and install Rise of Kingdom application on your iOS device in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.